Planet Earth, what I like about it is that we get to cook, bake, and learn how to do gardening.
Planet Earth is a class that we started last year to sort of incorporate an agricultural approach to education and to give some kids some opportunities to do some hands-on learning.
There you go, flip it over. Perfect. You got it.
I think it's good to learn how to cook and garden at a young age, so when you get older, it's just easy for you.
The ability to prepare your own meals, to cook for yourself, to hang a picture frame on your own. I mean, all of the greenhouses we've built, the compost bins we've put up, several construction projects we've completed. A lot of our kids are learning how to do these things for the first time, how to swing a hammer, how to use a screwdriver, and that'll definitely benefit them as adults and as older children. Even if you do grow up to do something different outside of the agricultural field or a related field, knowing how to do things with your hands, how to use tools, how to grow your own food is an incredibly important part of adult life.
We don't have a garden currently, but we used to. And I'm going to try to apply some of the stuff that we've learned from here, like maybe buy hydroponics or make a rain barrel so that we don't have to use as much water.
I really like seeing kids learn something truly, truly new to them for the first time, something they haven't actually experienced outside of school or in school.